psychiatric nursing questions. Before that, we should know about some types of phobia. Acrophobia. Acrophobia means fear of heights. Agoraphobia, fear of open spaces. Then astrophobia, fear of electrical storms. Claustrophobia, fear of closed spaces. Hematophobia, it means fear of blood. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Monophobia means fear of being alone. Mesophobia, fear of dirt or germs. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Pyrophobia, it means fear of fires. Social phobia means fear of situations in which one might be embarrassed or criticized, fear of making a fool of oneself. Xenophobia, it means fear of strangers. Zoophobia means fear of animals. So these are some types of phobias. Now coming to see about question and answers. The first question is, a client says to the nurse, the federal guards were sent to kill me. Which is the best response by the nurse to the client's concern? The options are, first one is, I don't believe this is true. Then second one is, the guards are not out to kill you. Third one is, do you feel afraid that people are trying to hurt you? Fourth one is, what makes you think the gods were sent to hurt you? The answer is, do you feel afraid that people are trying to hurt you? The next question is, a client diagnosed with delirium becomes disoriented and confused at night. Which intervention should the nurse implement initially? The option is, move the client next to the nurse's station. Second one is, use an indirect light source and turn off the television. Third one is, keep the television and the soft light on during the night. The fourth one is, play soft music during the night and maintain a well lit room. The answer is, use an indirect light source and turn off the television. The next question is, a client is admitted to the mental health unit with a diagnosis of depression. The nurse should develop a plan of care for the client that includes which intervention? The first option is encouraging quiet reading and writing for the first few days. Then second one is identification of physical activities that will provide exercise. Third one is no socializing activities until the client asks to participate in milieu. And fourth one is a structured program of activities in which the client can participate. The answer is a structured program of activities in which the client can participate. The next question is, when planning the discharge of a client with chronic anxiety, the nurse directs the goals at promoting a safe environment at home. Which is the most appropriate maintenance goal? The option is suppressing feelings of anxiety. Second one is identifying anxiety producing situations. Third one is continuing contact with a crisis counselor. Fourth one is eliminating all anxiety from daily situations. The answer is identifying anxiety producing situations. The next question is, a client is unwilling to go to his church because his ex-girlfriend goes there and he feels that she will laugh at him if she sees him. Because of this hypersensitivity to a reaction from her, the client remains homebound. The home care nurse develops a plan of care that addresses which personality disorder. The option is avoidant, second one is borderline, third one is schizotypal, and fourth one is obsessive compulsive. The answer is avoidant. The next question is, the nurse is conducting a group therapy session. During the session, a client diagnosed with mania consistently disrupts the group's interactions. Which intervention should the nurse initially implement? The option is setting limits on the client's behavior. Second one is asking the client to leave the group session. Third one is asking another nurse to escort the client out of the group session. And fourth one is telling the client that they will not be able to attend any future group sessions. The answer is setting limits on the client's behavior. The next question is, a manic client begins to make sexual advances toward visitors in the day room. When the nurse firmly states that this is inappropriate and will not be allowed, The client becomes verbally abusive and threatens physical violence to the nurse. Based on the analysis of this situation, which intervention should the nurse implement? The first option is place the client in seclusion for 30 minutes. Second one is tell the client that the behavior is inappropriate. Third one is escort the client to their room with the assistance of other staff. Fourth one is tell the client that their telephone privileges are revoked for 24 hours. The answer is tell escort the client to their room with the assistance of other staff. The next question is the nurse is planning activities for a client diagnosed with bipolar disorder with aggressive social behavior. Which activity would be most appropriate for this client? Option is chess, writing, ping pong, basketball. Answer is writing. The next question is the nurse is caring for a client just admitted to a mental health unit and diagnosed with a catatonic stupor. The client is lying on the bed in a fetal position, which is the most appropriate nursing intervention. The first one is ask direct questions to encourage talking. Second one is leave the client alone so as to minimize external stimuli. Third one is sit beside the client in silence with occasional open-ended questions. Fourth one is take the client into the day room with other clients so that they can help watch them. The answer is sit beside the client in silence with occasional open-ended questions. Next question is the nurse observes that the client is pacing, agitated, and presenting aggressive gestures. The client's speech pattern is rapid and affectors belligerent. Based on these observations, which is the nurse's immediate priority of care? Option is provide safety for the client and other clients on the unit. Second one is provide the clients on the unit with a sense of comfort and safety. Third one is assist the staff in caring for the client in a controlled environment. Fourth one is offer the client a less stimulating area in which to calm down and gain control. The answer is provide safety for the client and other clients on the unit. Next question. These are all about some of the psychiatric nursing questions. If you like this channel, you can subscribe to me and ring the bell button. You will receive my notifications. Thank you.